Eilat, Israel's Red Sea resort city, is on high alert right now as the threat from Iran-backed Houthi drones keep on growing on. Authorities have taken a bold step too. They installed public bomb shelters right on the beaches, sports fields and parks just to protect the people from incoming attacks, specifically the tourists. Well, just last month, a Houthi drone managed to hit the city, wounding 20 people, some very badly. Since then, Israel has been racing to make sure that civilians have safe places to hide within seconds of any warning siren. In fact, on Sunday, Eilat faced another drone threat, but this time Israel's defense forces shot it down because it caused harm. Residents heard the siren and rushed to the new shelters, which were placed at the key public spots like Sun Bay, Lighthouse Beach, Fedkin Park as well, and local sports fields. In fact, the city's home front command made sure that wherever people were, they could reach a shelter within 30 seconds, a tiny window to save lives in case of an attack. Now, this latest alert comes amid a wave of missiles and drone attacks by the Houthis, who are backed by Iran. In fact, since March 2025, these rebels have launched more than 90 ballistic missiles and over 40 drones towards Israel, while Israel has struck back in Yemen 19 times to stop further attacks. The Houthis' threat began after October 7, 2023, Hamas massacre, and has targeted civilians and maritime traffic in that particular area. Officials explained that last month's drone attack was partially successful because it was detected too late and the Iron Dome failed to intercept it. In the meantime, the Israeli Air Force has since improved the detection and interception system as well, making sure that the drones are shot down faster. Commanders have also stepped up training, readiness, emergency protocols in Eilat to protect both the tourists and the residents. The city's mayor, Eli, he emphasized the urgency of the shelters, noting that Eilat is a popular tourist destination and public safety is their top priority. Well, with threats coming from 800 kilometers away in Yemen, Israel is showing that it is all ready to defend its people wherever they are, even on the beaches. Well, for the visitors and local, the message is clear. Relax, enjoy the beaches, but be ready to run to a shelter within seconds if the sirens goes off. In a city known for its sun and sea, the shadow of modern warfare is now a real part of daily lives.